Okay. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam. My name is Kivan Raj, and my matrix number is 01 DDT 21F1011. And today I'm going to give a small explanations about the Esser and Hesser relationship concept based on Figure 1 and additional information that I've given. So we have to So I have to build a program to calculate the area of triangle using Notepad. So I'm going to code now. I mean, not now, later. So before I code, I will explain about the Hisse and Hesse. So, okay, this is about the Hesse. First, you explain about Hisse. Hisse. Okay, so Hisse is a relationship uh, in object-oriented programming. The concept of is totally based on inheritance, which can be of two types: class inheritance or interface inheritance. It's just like saying A is a B type of thing. But for example, uh, inheritance is like a unidirectional. For example, a house is like a building, but building is not a house. It's just like that. So it is like a key point to note that you can easily identify the is a relationship wherever you see an extends keywords or implements keyword in a class declaration. Then this class is said to have a is a relationship. Okay, so now we'll I'll go and explain about Hesse. So Hesse, the composition actually Hesse means that the use of instance variable that are reference to other objects. Like mm, I think that's it. This for Hesse, this is it. It's like a composition. Hesse is like a composition. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the code which I've done. So we look at the questions first before we go to the code. Okay, so now I have to create another class named relationship apart from the shape, triangle, and calculate classes. Relationship class has a main method that will assign value for base and height to the instance variable in shape class. Value for base and height will be input by the user. Value for base and height will be passed from area method to the count method. Count method will calculate and print the value of triangle area. So this is it. So this is the code of which I've done. Well, I've done this earlier. Okay, so yeah, I've started with the import java dot io and the import java dot util scanner. So first we have to put the class shape, and these are the variables. So for the variables to put we have to put the int base and height. These are the variables. Base and height, these are the main thing. And now first I've put the triangle which extends the shape. This is the first part we have to do, and for that we put the void area, and then we have to calculate the object 0 equals to new calculate, and object 0 dot count which have base and height. So this is the proper way, and it's called calculate. This is the third line. Calculate object 0 equals new calculate. This is the formula. This is the formula. So you have to do this properly, and don't forget to put all the semicolon. Okay, then the next is the class calculate. Okay, for the class calculate, we have the void count which is in base and in height, and that the int area. So this is the formula for the triangle. Area equals height times base divided by 2. This is the formula, and then system dot out dot print the area of the triangle. As I said for this. Now, public class relationship, have to put the public static void main, which is the proper way, and then as is it's for the scanner, um, scanner input equals new scanner dot system dot in means system dot in, and then the triangle object one equals the new triangle, and then base in, height in, system output. So base in is actually we have to put the system outprint to enter the and triangle's base. So this is for the base, and this is for the height, and for the height we have to declare the output to enter the triangle's height. So we just like have to declare it. We have to declare it for the triangle's base first, and then we have to declare it for the triangle's height. So then only the output will come out. Okay, so and the last will be calling area. Object one dot area. Okay, so this is the code. So it's done, and now we'll check the output. Okay, so now this is the we are now going to check the output. Okay, so now Java C. Uh, you have to put the class name, which is a relationship. Relationship. You have to put it correctly. If not, we won't get the output. Not Java. Okay, so now we have to put Java relationship, the same thing. Okay, so now it asks us to enter the triangle space. So for example, I put 3, and now try for triangle's height we just put 4 for example. Okay, so we have got the output ready. So for output, the area of the triangle will be 6 centimeters. Okay, so that's it. uh, Thank you very much.